Well, sadly, Chase Sexton is out after his crash in the final round of the SMX playoffs. We have the announcement from Red Bull KTM saying, quote, Red Bull KTM factory racing rider Chase Sexton has unfortunately had to withdraw from Team USA ahead of next weekend's 2025 FIM Motocross of Nations as a result of his season-ending incident at the Super Motocross World Championship SMX final. So, well, this sucks. I mean, obviously, with Sexton out and Deegan probably out or racing nowhere near 100%, we went from a huge, really good team with Tomac, Sexton, and Deegan. And the question is, now who? I mean, the rumor, or whatever you've been hearing a lot, or at least that I've been seeing a lot, is RJ Hampshire for the 250 class, I guess, and Justin Cooper filling in for the 450 role. But I mean, there's the crash right there. And I've seen a bunch of people, saying like, I think this should have been a red flag. This is a guy that is clearly knocked unconscious or very hurt, just laying in the middle of the track. And yes, there is another lane to go around. But people are calling like this wasn't a red flag because it was scripted, because at that point Jet Lawrence wouldn't have won, blah, 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 blah. I don't think that's it. I think it's very hard for an actual red flag to be pulled here. I mean, you see a lot of these races, people get knocked out, they're bloody, and they have them stand up and walk off the track. So I think they do as much as they possibly can to not stop races. And as far as I know, comment down below, correct me if I'm wrong here, mild concussion and whatever the actual shoulder injury is. I haven't seen any sort of update, again, correct me if I'm wrong, about what the extent of that is. Who knows? Obviously with the off season now and the fun, everybody watching this of, Chase Sexton unfollowed KTM on Instagram, he's officially done. Like, yeah, probably. We're going to get some announcements probably soon of his move over to Kawasaki. But also for him, this sucks because you're going to have downtime now between whatever the shoulder injury is. If it's a bad one that has to have work, or you're going to spend weeks of the time off, there's a bunch of time off of the testing ground, changing bikes, changing teams, going from an Austrian frame to a Japanese frame, different engine. It's going to be, you need all the time you possibly can to test and get comfortable with that bike. I mean, look at Prado, comes over here from an Austrian bike to the Kawasaki, and absolutely, we know what happened there. He's leaving. So it's going to be interesting to see, obviously, when that announcement actually happens, or, what silly season fun we get from that. But it's nice to see that, the MX Nations on American soil was going to be a super deep, talented, fast team, and seems like it's gone. Not that RJ Hampshire or Justin Cooper would be bad choices, just if you're going to get the choices you could have had, Tomac, Deegan, and Sexton would have been really good. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for the MX Nations? Are you couldn't care less about it now? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.